This is Mahmoud Hassan Mehraj. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the top view, and from this cross section, this is the cross section view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the right plane. In the right plane, I will draw a circular profile of this dimension, and this dimension has a circular profile of 24 diameter, and then I will proceed it to 26 unit. Okay, and if we can see, we have another circular profile here and another circular profile here, and this circular profile has a dimension of 14 diameter. So from the mid plane, from the right plane again, I will draw another circular profile of 14 diameter, and I'll then extrude it to 32 unit from the mid plane. Then we have seen we have another circular profile here and another circular profile here, and both circular profile has a M10 dimension, and this M10 dimension is for thread cutting, so the circular profile dimension also be 10 diameter. So again from the right plane I will draw a circular profile of circle of 10 diameter, then I will extrude both it to 55 unit. Okay, let's go back to our sketch and demonstrate this. Okay, so I'm selecting right plane here. Now sketch, now normal to it. After that, select the circle from here and place the circle to the origin and draw a circle of 24 go to Eastman dimension and dimension to 24 diameter. So dimension to 24 diameter. Okay, it has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss is to form the mid plane, and the dimension will be 26 unit. Okay, now press OK. This portion has been done. Now again select the right plane here. Now sketch, now normal to it, and select a circle and place the circle to the previous circle center line. Now dimension it to 14 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, and again extrude boss this circle from the mid plane, and the dimension will be 32 unit. Now press OK. As this is a symmetric drawing, you can draw half the portion and then mirror it, or you can draw all of the things at a time, okay, as you want. So now again select the right plane, now sketch, now normal to it, now select the circle and draw a circle of 10 diameter, as we have a straight cut of M10, so it will be same 10 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to 55 diameter, 55 unit. Now press OK. So this portion has been done quite well. Let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch we can see we have M10 thread, and before that we can see in this corner and this corner and this other two side also we have a chamfer of C1. Okay, we have a chamfer of C1. So as the angle is not given, so we are assuming it is 45-degree angle, and after that we have to do our M10 thread cut. And for doing this M10 thread cut, we can see the thread lies along the 10 unit blind length. Okay, so let's go back to our sketch and draw all of this. So I'm selecting the chamfer from here and select chamfer and draw a chamfer of chamfer 1 45-degree angle, and now select this line and rotate it and select this line. Now press OK. So this two chamfer portion has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. You can search in here and select the thread tool. Now we are going to draw the threading. So from here select the thread tool, and in the thread tool make sure to select metric die. Okay, then select M10. We have many pitch like 1.0, 1.25, 1.5 as you want. You can see select as usual, but as here we have no mention, so I'm selecting M10 1.0. okay, now select for where to start the thread. So I'm starting the thread from here. Okay, and our blind here is 10 unit, but we have already done a blind here which is 1 unit of chamfer. Okay, so we have left with 9 unit, but we have a pitch of 1 unit. So as the total blind cut of a thread will, I'm taking 80 unit, and let me demonstrate later. Now press OK. Now as the total dimension of is 10 units, so I'm selecting the evaluate option here and selecting the measure, and from this point to this surface, if we measure that, and we can see the dx line. Okay, from the x-axis the distance is 9.88, so it is almost the 10 unit thread cut from here. So that's why I have selected the blind of 8 unit instead of 10 unit, because we have already drawn a chamfer of 1 unit and we have a pitch of 1 unit. So that's why we have selected 8 unit. So you can calculate by using the measure, or you can calculate manually. Okay, so now isometric it again. Now we need to draw the same thread cut from here also. So I'm again selecting the thread tool. Okay, selecting the thread tool and doing the same thread in the other portion also. So I'm rotating these features and select this line. Okay, another thread has been cut, and now isometric it for a better view. Here you can see in our sketch the thread isn't smooth here. Okay, how do we smooth this thread? For doing that, I am selecting the features here and selecting the swift cut, and in the swift cut portion, for the geometry I am selecting this trapezoidal shape, and for path to flow I will selecting this circular path. Now press OK. You can see now the thread portion is quite smoother in this outer face. Okay, now isometric it for a better view and do the same thing in the other portion also. So I am still rotating here. Okay, now select the sweep cut portion and select a profile for the trapezoidal portion. Now select the profile, the circular path. Now press OK. So our threaded portion has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch, and we can see the total height of our uh, geometry is 15 unit. So from this center line, okay, from we will draw a center line here and draw two offset line. One is here and another is here, and this two offset line has a total distance of 15 unit. So the half distance will be 7.5 unit and 7.5 unit, and bottom from that offset line I will draw two geometry like here, and then I will extrude cut it to through all both. And after that we can see we have another circular extrude cut here, and this circular extrude cut has a dimension of 13 unit. Okay, let's go back to our sketch and do this. So for that I'm selecting the right plane again. Now sketch and normal to it. After that select the center line from here and draw a center line along this. Okay, after this center line has been drawn, now select the offset entities and offset into, and as the total dimension is 15 units, so half distance will be 15 divided by 2, so it will be 7.5. so make sure to select bidirectional. Now press OK. Now select the corner rectangle and draw a corner rectangle like this one. Okay, and draw corner rectangle another like this one. Okay, the two corner rectangle has been drawn. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Okay, and we selected contour will be this one and this lower one. Now press OK. So our extrude cut portion has been done. Now it's time for extrude cut circle. Now selecting the top face, top plane. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the circle and draw a circle of 13 diameter. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.